this is demo regarding the oil emulsion, which is we can see the breakdown of the oil is using different kind of the water. The first one is for the mineral water. Second one is the alkaline water. And we put few drop of the sesame oil. So we stir it. And this also we stir it. And to see more clearer, we just put this first. So here we can see the mineral water is more clearer, and also the particle of the oil is very big one. If compared to the alkaline water, it's quite blurry, and also you can't read the words in the paper, and the particle of the oil is already break down. So this is very important for the person which is have the high cholesterol level, or maybe blockage within the artery at the heart. It's very important to coagulate the bad cholesterol in our body. So this is also important for detoxification the waste material in terms of the bad cholesterol from our body. And from previous customers, they will weight loss during taking the alkaline water because the oil emulsion. So the mineral water cannot break down the oil, so that's why the oil is retained in our body, and the artery will be clogged in terms of the bad cholesterol. So you will be get the high cholesterol, or maybe have heart problem.